how to upgrade to business class on Aegean Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can upgrade to business class on Aegean Airlines. Now, to upgrade to business class on Aegean Airlines, unlike other kind of airlines, is very simple. Now, the first thing is to log in into your account, of course. To be sure if you are logged in, after entering your details, move to the top right corner. Once your name can be displayed, as well as details about your login, about your account, you're sure that you are logged in successfully. So once you're logged in, scroll down and then you can see a box, a small box, all right, on the screen where you can see book a flight plus hotel package, rent a car, my booking, check in. So as you can see, this next thing to do is to click on my booking. After clicking on my booking, a small box will be displayed, and on this box you can see a write up which says now you can manage your booking online with more flexibility, and the different things you can do is to add baggage and seats, change flight, book extra services, view booking details. So what you're trying to do is to upgrade to a business class, and that is order under booking extra services. But the first thing would be to locate your booking first or your flight first, and then to do that, enter in your booking reference number that has been sent to you via your email after making a successful payment, as well as your last name. Then after doing that, scroll down and click on continue. After clicking on continue, you'll be taken to the flights page, all right, the booking details page. Now on this page you will then see the option upgrade to business class. Is directly on the page, all right, you definitely see it there. So once you click on upgrade, you'll see the different options, business class, or first class. Just go ahead and select business class, and then the required amount that is to be paid will be displayed. Go ahead, input in your payments details, that is your card details or whichever payment method you use. Enter it in, and then after doing that, your flight will be upgraded to business class, and also your ticket would be upgraded. So this is basically how you can go about it. You just find your way to my booking, enter in your booking reference number, your last name, and you are good to go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.